Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad in an air fryer. First, you'll want to prepare your chicken breasts. Season them simply with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Then, place them in your air fryer basket. We'll cook them until they're perfectly tender and ready to be shredded, forming the delicious base for your homemade chicken salad. It's a quick and easy way to get a fantastic result. To achieve perfectly cooked chicken, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned chicken breasts in the basket and cook for 18 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Always check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once cooked, remove the chicken and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period helps keep the chicken juicy before you shred it. Now for the fun part, assembling your salad. Once your chicken is shredded, transfer it to a large bowl. Add your favorite mayonnaise, finely diced celery for crunch, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to get creative here. You can mix in other ingredients like chopped grapes, toasted pecans, or fresh herbs. Stir everything together until it's well combined and creamy. This is where your chicken salad truly comes to life. Your delicious air fryer chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, with crisp crackers, or in fresh lettuce wraps for a lighter option. It's fantastic for meal prep too. Simply store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.